Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Front-End News, the only show on YouTube that brings you information on the latest events in the industry. Here is what I have prepared for you today. The powers that be of the internet will work together to advance the open web platform. LayoutNG is scheduled to be released in Chrome 76. MaterialUI version 4 is out, and FreeCodeCamp is moving off Medium and onto its own platform. Before we go into details, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, as well as more tips, tricks and advice on how to build a successful career in front-end development. All this being said, let's get started. The first topic is the newly announced collaboration between W3C and WHATWG. Now, isn't that a mouthful? W3C stands for the World Wide Web Consortium and is the organization responsible with defining and maintaining the standards for the World Wide Web. On the other hand, WHATWG, or the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group, is a community of people interested in evolving HTML and its related technologies. W3C released a blog post announcing it has signed an agreement with the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group to develop together a single set of specifications for HTML and DOM. The two entities published a memorandum of understanding defining the roles each organization will play from now on. HTML and DOM will be developed in collaboration to produce living standard specifications as well as recommendation and review draft snapshots. W3C will stop their independent publishing of such standards and will work instead of transforming the new review drafts into W3C recommendations. If you are interested in the specifics of this collaboration, you can find the links to the relevant documents in the description of this video. Starting with version 76, Chrome will ship with a new layout engine called LayoutNG. The official announcement mentions that the update will provide better support for non-latent scripts and will fix many issues with floats and margins, as well as many other web compatibility issues. Some of the improvements are mentioned in more detail, with examples showcasing the difference between the current display mode and the improved one created with LayoutNG. The adoption of the new engine will happen in stages, with Chrome 76 using LayoutNG only for inline and block layout. Further updates will extend the use to the rest of layout cases such as table, flexbox, or grid. MaterialUI is a set of React components that are built according to the Material Design Framework. Version 4 is the second major update, as the developers skipped over version 2, while version 3 only introduced minor changes related to browser support. Some of the major improvements in version 4 include better customization according to the material theming guidelines, improved performance and download size, as well as preparing the ground for further development. Those interested in using this set of components can learn how to do it using the improved documentation and the brand new cookbook published by Pact. Another option will be the still in development premium theme store, where one could purchase ready-to-use solutions that will require a minimum of customization. FreeCodeCamp is one of the largest developer communities on the web, with over 135,000 users. They provide free tutorials, lessons, and coding challenges on a wide range of topics. On May 27, Quincy Larson, the creator of FreeCodeCamp, announced in a forum post that they have moved all their content off Medium and into their own Ghost Power news platform. The main reason for the change has been the lack of traffic from Medium and the fact that the most popular articles have been moved beyond the paywall. While the original 5,000 articles, most of them written by contributors, still remain available on Medium, they have been cross-posted on the internal platform. The move has not been completely smooth though. On one hand, there are a number of technical and formatting issues, which can be expected from a move of such magnitude. On the other hand, there is the possible issue of whether FreeCodeCamp had the rights to move the contributor articles without their express consent. Ben Halpern, the founder of Dev2, another widely popular community of developers, has expressed his concern that the move has violated not just the Medium terms of service, but the rights of the contributor writers. As a result of the process, the articles have been posted on the FreeCodeCamp platform without even notifying the original authors. They had wrong canonical URLs, and in many cases, the author has been defaulted to the freecodecamp.org account. Meanwhile, each writer has to personally appeal to the staff to have a new account created, which will then be credited as the author. Ben is not accusing FreeCodeCamp of malicious intent, but he does consider that the moving process was not thought out properly, and points to Hacker News, another major entity leaving Medium, who is doing it in an open and transparent process. The discussion still continues on both FreeCodeCamp and Dev2 forums. Question of the day: what other industry-related information would you like to see in future episodes? Please leave an answer using the comment section down below. Like this video if you liked it, and share it with your friends if you loved it. If you want to see more content similar to this one, as well as practical tips, tricks, and advice on how to build a successful career in front-end development, don't forget to subscribe using the big red button down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.